getter of group 2, you're going to come up to your drawer, pull out the Vaseline. Your people will need Vaseline, and they will need their markers. Glass begins with this bin of scrap. We're not going to concern ourselves with the color scraps. That's for my advanced class. But stay down here with these smaller pieces. We're going to build a mosaic of smaller cut glass. Working with glass will always require safety glasses. No discussion. If you're already wearing glasses, then you're good. Okay, first we put on our safety glasses. This scrap glass bin you're looking at is full of possibilities. If you handle glass from the side, it'll never cut you. If you hold it this way, it will cut you. So you just have to learn that your fingers are above and below the glass, never on the sides. I will show you how to grind and make the glass more comfortable to work with in a moment. But you're going to be building a picture out of pieces of glass. Think mosaic, all small, glued to a clear base. So pretending this was my project, just an array of pieces that I've been cutting and shaping into the form of something, then I'm ready with my Sharpie to draw with the drawing underneath that shows through using my Sharpie. And I will draw on all of my pieces to cut them according to the shapes I'm intending. Using this piece as an example, I'm going to Sharpie this shape that I'm needing for my piece. That's my shape. So you'll need Vaseline or any kind of oil to waterproof your Sharpie line. If your Sharpie line is not waterproofed, it will literally slide off as water touches it. Nothing bonds to glass, which is why we must waterproof our line. This is our saw station. We have a ring saw. We have a band saw. The ring saw allows you to cut in any direction. The band saw allows you to cut in forward motions and very slight curves, but nothing sharp. Both the ring saw and the band saw need water. Water keeps the blades cool. To check for water level, we open up the top and we want to see that the water is up halfway through that hole for the ring saw. For the band saw, we want to lift this cup up. If it's empty, it will need water. We simply add water with a cup. We simply add water by getting a cup. The ring saw here is just right. The water level is running about halfway through the hole. The band saw takes just about a whole cup. Put the lid back on. The bandsaw requires that we turn on the water manually, so we'll see it drip slightly, and that means it's working. We turn the bandsaw on here, and we cut with a straight motion. Slowly. When we're done, we turn off the water. To turn on the ring saw, you'll see the switch down here, push hard. Like the bandsaw, the ring saw does not require force. Do not force the piece through. Be gentle, be easy, be patient, and it will last. The grinder is also a friend for smoothing out our edges. We will need this by turning this on. We also want to keep this wet, this sponge. You're cutting from this way to this way, this way to this way. You get the idea. Blow dry it so it'll be darker. If I wish to play with texturizing it, lightening it slightly, you get the idea. So this is how we stain the glass with alcohol ink rather than using actual stained glass. We're all ready. Mr. Ziska's given us a base piece. We set our pieces where we wish them. And the last step, having painted everybody and arrayed them the way we want, is to bring on some Gorilla Glue. To glue each piece, you literally need the tiniest little dot. It is not syrup on a pancake, but just a tiny little dot. You don't want it on your fingers. It's nasty and it takes a long time to come off. So you'll glue each piece, let it sit flat, and it will be cured in about 2 or 3 hours. I've always enjoyed watching what Jordana did with all of these pieces of glass. She cut each one and laminated them to this base piece. You might consider building a picture like this in mosaic. It's very appealing. What a lovely piece by Malik. Great painting, great cutting. Check out what Adele did engraving in glass. What a lovely piece by Malik. Great painting, great cutting. Check out what Adele did engraving in glass.